The flat Earth theory: is the Earth actually flat, and has science been lying to us for centuries? For centuries, we've been taught that the Earth is a sphere, orbiting the Sun as part of a vast universe. This idea is backed by centuries of scientific evidence, space exploration, and countless observations. But what if this is all a lie? What if the Earth is actually flat, and a global conspiracy has been hiding the truth from us? This is the core belief of the flat Earth theory, a movement that has gained surprising traction in recent years. Could it be possible that modern science is wrong, and that our planet is nothing more than a flat disk? Let's dive into the claims, the evidence, and the counterarguments to explore this controversial topic. What is the flat Earth theory? The flat Earth theory posits that the Earth is not a rotating sphere but a flat plane, with the Arctic Circle at its center and Antarctica forming an icy perimeter around the edges. According to proponents, the Sun, Moon, and stars move in circular paths above the flat Earth, functioning like a cosmic spotlight. Flat Earthers argue that the spherical Earth model is a carefully crafted lie, perpetuated by governments, space agencies, and scientists to control the population and obscure the true nature of our reality. Why do people believe in a flat Earth? Flat Earth believers often cite a combination of personal observation, distrust of authority, and religious or philosophical beliefs. Here are some of their key arguments. 1. The horizon appears flat. Flat Earthers claim that when we look out at the horizon, it appears flat, not curved. They argue that if the Earth were truly a sphere, we would see a noticeable curvature, even from relatively low altitudes. 2. Water always finds its level. One of the most common arguments is that water always seeks a flat and level surface. Flat Earthers argue that oceans, lakes, and rivers would curve if the Earth were spherical, which they believe defies observable physics. 3. Airplane travel. Flat Earthers question why pilots don't constantly adjust for curvature while flying. They argue that if the Earth were a sphere, pilots would need to continuously dip the nose of the plane to avoid flying off into space. 4. Distrust of NASA and space exploration. Many flat Earthers believe that space agencies, particularly NASA, have fabricated images and videos of Earth from space. They claim these images are computer-generated or manipulated to maintain the illusion of a globe. The Flat Earth Map. Flat Earth proponents often reference the azimuthal equidistant map, which portrays the Earth as a flat disk. This map is said to better represent how they believe the Earth functions, with the Sun and Moon circling above and the Antarctic ice wall preventing water from spilling over the edges. Counterarguments: the evidence for a spherical Earth. While the flat Earth theory is intriguing, it has been debunked by centuries of scientific observation and evidence. 1. The Earth's shadow during lunar eclipses. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth casts a shadow on the Moon that is always round. This would only be possible if the Earth were a sphere. 2. Photos and videos from space. Since the first manned missions to space, astronauts have captured countless images of Earth as a globe. These images have been corroborated by multiple space agencies, not just NASA. 3. The curvature at high altitudes. From high-altitude balloons, aircraft, and space itself, the curvature of the Earth becomes visible. Flat Earthers argue these images are fake, but independent experiments have consistently confirmed the curve. 4. Gravity. Gravity works because of the Earth's mass and spherical shape. On a flat plane, gravity would behave inconsistently, pulling objects toward the center of the disk rather than straight down as we experience it. 5. International travel. Airplane routes, particularly over the poles, only make sense on a spherical Earth. On a flat Earth, these routes would take illogical detours. Why does the theory persist? The flat Earth theory thrives because it taps into several psychological and social factors. Distrust in authority. Many people feel alienated from or suspicious of institutions, including governments and scientists. The idea of a grand conspiracy resonates with those who question the official narrative. Echo chambers. The internet has enabled flat earthers to form communities where they reinforce each other's beliefs, often rejecting outside criticism. Simplicity. The flat earth model appeals to a desire for simplicity. It rejects complex scientific explanations in favor of observable phenomena, like a flat horizon. Confirmation bias. Once someone adopts the flat earth belief, they are likely to interpret new information in a way that supports their worldview, ignoring evidence to the contrary. Could there be any truth to it? While the flat earth theory has been thoroughly debunked by science, it serves as an example of how people challenge dominant narratives. It raises questions about how we trust information and how dissenting views can gain traction. What do you believe? Is the flat earth theory a wake-up call to hidden truths, or is it a modern myth fueled by misinformation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this exploration of one of the most controversial conspiracy theories, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support keeps us questioning the world and diving into its mysteries. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and we'll see you in the next video.